Hello, brother and sister. Today I will give a review for a Victorinox straight knife which I bought around 2017, and it's been along with me for this recent few years. Mainly the knife I use it for cutting the pepper, pizza, and a cake. It is very lightweight and durable, and it is already sharpened few times. And if not in use, I stick this knife between my books so I can pull it out when I need it fast. Here is the knife, and the condition has a minor use mark. And now I will going to measure up the knife from its thickness 8.7 millimeter, the handle length would be 10 centimeter, and the blade would be around 8 centimeter. I think that's all our review for a Victorinox knife. Thank you for watching this video.